Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Zapier for CRM lead handoffs from forms, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Type Zapier in the search bar and press enter. Click on the official Zapier website link from the search results. Once on the Zapier homepage, locate the sign up button and click on it. If you already have an account, select login instead. After signing in or creating your account, navigate to the dashboard. In the dashboard, look for the Make a Zap button and click on it. You will be redirected to the Zap creation interface. First, select the app you want to connect with your CRM. For this guide, type Webhooks by Zapier in the search bar and select it. Choose the trigger event that suits your needs, such as catch hook. Follow the prompts to set it up. Zapier will provide you with a custom webhook URL. Copy this URL for later use. Now, open another tab in your browser and go to your online forms tool. Locate the form you want to connect to Zapier. Access the form settings or configuration options. Look for a section related to webhooks or integrations. Paste the Zapier webhook URL you copied earlier into the designated field. Make sure to save the changes to your form settings. Return to the Zapier interface and click on Test Trigger. This will allow you to test if Zapier successfully captures data from the Fill out your form in a separate window to trigger the webhook. Once you've submitted the form, return to Zapier and check for successful data capture. If successful, click on the Continue button. Next, choose your CRM application from the app list. Select the action event you wish to perform within your CRM. For example, choose Create Lead if you want to add leads directly. Connect your CRM account to Zapier by following the prompts. Make sure to authorize access where necessary. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.